Now let's move to what may look like one of the most explosive revelation of this entire crisis. Ladies and gentlemen, according to Reuters report, Saudi Arabia may have quietly carried out covert airstrikes inside Iran during the recent 40-day conflict. Now, if these reports are accurate, then this would represent a historic shift in the West Asian geopolitics. Because for years, Saudi Arabia and Iran fought very indirectly through proxy groups, through the influence war, through the regional competition. But direct military action on Iranian soil, that changes the entire equation. According to the reports, the strike allegedly came after Iranian missiles and drone attack targeting Saudi oil facility, military bases, sites that are connected to American interest. And here comes the most unbelievable detail. Reports claim that Riyadh quietly informed Tehran before the strike happened in order to avoid triggering a massive wider regional war. Can you think about how strange modern geopolitics have really become? Countries are now attacking each other while simultaneously trying to prevent full escalation. Now, this is kind of controlled escalation, controlled confrontation, calibrated retaliation, a dangerous balancing act. And it also reveals another major reality tonight. The West Asia is changing rapidly. Regional powers are no longer waiting for America to solve every crisis. Saudi Arabia is becoming more independent militarily. Iran is becoming more aggressive strategically, and Israel is acting more directly. Turkey is expanding influence. Gulf nations are recalculating their alliances. The region is definitely entering a new phase where multiple powers are acting simultaneously. And you know what? That makes everything far more unpredictable and complex, because when too many countries begin acting independently, and that too during a crisis, the chances of miscalculation rise dramatically. In our fourth segment, let's talk about an Arab nation that is suddenly on the edge. Kuwait says it arrested 4 infiltrators allegedly linked to Iran's Revolutionary Guards after they attempted to enter the country by the sea. According to reports, clashes erupted during the operation and one Kuwaiti armed force member was injured. Now, on the surface, this may appear like a small regional security incident, right? But in reality, this is exactly how wider regional crises quietly spread. Not always through giant invasions or dramatic missile strikes, sometimes through infiltration, sometimes through covert movement, sometimes through shadow operation nobody notices at first. And tonight, Gulf countries are deeply nervous because tensions between Iran and the United States are already extremely high, following weeks of conflict, nuclear disagreement, instability in the Strait of Hormuz. Every small incident now feels dangerous. Every boat crossing becomes suspicious. Every military moment triggers anxiety because countries in the Gulf understand one thing very, very carefully. If Iran and America move towards another direct confrontation, then the entire region could become unstable overnight. No Gulf country wants to become trapped between Washington and Tehran. But let's be honest, geography gives them very little choice here. And this is why even a small infiltration incident, it suddenly becomes an international headline. Because the whole West Asia today, it is operating under extreme tension. One mistake, one misunderstanding, one unexpected clash, and the entire region could spiral much faster than anyone expects.